Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Joyce here again for you guys today with another pantyhose themed video. So hopefully that's something that you're interested in watching. Now I do already have the tights on, as you can see, so I will be talking you through what the tights are. We're not going to do this try on section today. Today's video is actually another try treats video where I'm going to be trying some treats from a different part of the world. But quickly before we do that, let's talk about the tights that I have on. These are the Platino 40 denier total comfort tights. Now these are actually some of my favorite activewear tights. Platino as well is a very well known, world-renowned brand. They specialize in some high quality tights, and they actually have a style which is my all-time favorite. So very familiar with this brand, really appreciate them, can vouch for their quality. Now these total comfort ones are 40 denier, so they help where it's going to be cold outside. It's getting cold here, so I definitely can use these. But they also look very polished and help with the styling aspect of things. When you have a very polished look, very sophisticated look to the tights, it makes everything else that much easier to put together. So really like these tights, big fan, and if you haven't checked them out, I recommend you do videos. This is another try treats video. We'll be trying some treats from a different part of the world. Now I have opened the box, but I haven't really peered in to see what treats I'm getting from what part of the world, so on and so forth. I will leave a code down in the description section for where you can get a certain percentage off if you're interested in trying this. It will be a nice gift, I think, for Christmas or someone's birthday, that they get to experiment and try with different things. I know I've been loving it, so that's just how I feel about it. Now let me open this properly. I almost opened it upside down, but here it is. This is the smaller box. Let's see what treats we're getting this time round and where from. So here's the cards. Let me see, let me read this. Okay, Machu Picchu, Peru. Welcome to Peru. This month's snacks come to you from Peru, a lushly forested country in South America, famous for its rich cultural heritage and for being home to the Incan civilization. Ooh. It says here that Peru is known for its cuisine, which has a reputation for attention to detail in the production of food and for using unusual ingredients. Attributes you will soon discover. Okay, I'm excited about that. I just love anything that's a little bit different. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 treats to try out this time round. Oh, it actually says, dear customer, we're adding 2 bonus mystery snacks into your box this month. Enjoy. I like that. I like that. So this is what the box looks like. Those are the treats that we are going through today. Now the first one that I'm seeing that looks really interesting is this one. This is the Choco Cashew. So let's see what this tastes like. I think it's liquid. Okay, so it comes in a squeezy tube and you basically, I guess, like, suck it out. You know what this tastes like? This is milk chocolate and cashew, like cashew nut. This basically tastes like Nutella, but in a tube. I don't know. We're off to a good start, you guys. Okay, next, this is the Morochas by Nestle. These are Peruvian chocolate cookies consisting of 2 sandwich cookies sandwiched with a chocolate center. These are one of the most popular treats in Peru, so let's see. Yeah, These are really good as well. You know what this would be great with? A cup of tea. If you are from England, you're British, even if you're African actually, you know that having tea is such a staple in your day. This, with a nice cup of tea, so good. Next we have this one, which is Field Kuakua. Kuakua? Susua? Kuakua? I think I've said that wrong. But these are wafers by Lacta. Wafer biscuits coated with chocolate, represented by its cute duck mascot. Kuakuas are a household name and one of the most beloved wafers in Peru. Pretty sure I said that wrong. I don't know if it's kuakua. The chocolate's really good. I'm just not a huge wafer fan, but this is nice. Next we have Margarita. Galletas by Sayon are traditional Peruvian cookies, crunchy and delicious. They are named after the margarita flower and the intricate design etched I can't can't read. The intricate design etched into the cookie is also modeled after the margarita flower. Ooh, love to see one of the flowers now. These are not overly sweet, which is good. So sometimes you don't want it to be too sweet, especially if you have a lot of sugar in your tea, you know. So these are fine, these are nice. Ooh, okay, let's go for this because I'm intrigued. These are Integrackers Quinoa by Victoria. They are delicious and healthy crackers made with quinoa, a superfood filled with nutrients. These crackers are an excellent source of fiber. They are light, crispy, and can be savored at any time of the day. So this is a little bit more of a savory snack. So I would have this with maybe some avocado, maybe some tomato sliced up or something, because it's not sweet at all. Definitely get the essence of quinoa. It's a little dry, so you need a drink to like wash it down. But they're savory, not sweet, savory. So they're fine. I actually feel like I'll be able to put these to good use because it'll be like a nice starter snack before you have dinner. But these aren't sweet, but they're savory, but they're nice. I'm just gonna pull this, which I don't believe is actually on the card. I think it's one of the extra mystery treats that we got this month. But it basically looks like a little jelly kind of tub situation, which is cute. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. It's like a tropical flavor. Tropical flavored jelly basically is what this is. Really like this. So last but definitely not least is this Donna Pepper by Lacta. Donna Pepper by Lacta is a Peruvian cookie coated in chocolate and covered with chocolate sprinkles. Donna Pepper is a very traditional cookie and it was originally created in the 18th century for the annual Lord of Miracles ceremony in Peru. That's interesting. I really like the cover. It's so cute. So cute. Okay, I'm just gonna break off a little bit. Now this is crunchy. Crunchy because of the sprinkles and then because of the biscuit. But which is fine. I'm more impressed by the chocolate from this box. Every single thing that's had chocolate in it has tasted so good because the chocolate just tastes really authentic, if that makes sense. This one's nice. If you like crunchy stuff, you're gonna enjoy this. All right, so just to round off my top three, surprisingly number one is this little jelly dessert treat that we got, which is like tropical flavored. I love this. I love anything that's tropical flavored, so this was definitely at the top. Number two, I think I'm gonna go for this one, which is like the Nestle chocolate with cashew. So good. I feel like these are really addictive. I mean, I only took 2 bites, but I'm pretty sure I'll be done with this in 10 seconds. Super addictive, really like this. And then the last one is the Marachas, I'm not sure how you say it, but these here, which are basically cookies with chocolate. Love these. I'm excited to make a cup of tea now so I can actually just have these treats. So just to say thank you to Try Treats for sending this box to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to get your hands on one of the boxes, check out the description section down below. I will have a code on there for you so you can get your first box with a little bit of a discount off. But hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the tights. And stay tuned because I'll have more coming up on my channel. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and I'll see you soon. Bye.